Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to import songs into Dead as Disco. Alright, let's begin. First, launch Dead as Disco and go to the main menu. From there, access your project files and settings. Next, find the Import Music option. This is usually located in the Settings or Project Options menu. This section allows you to bring in external audio files. Now, choose the song files you want to import. Click Browse or Import and select the audio file. Dead as Disco supports standard formats like MP3 and WAV, so make sure your music is in one of those formats. After importing, adjust the audio settings. You can fine-tune options such as volume, fade in, fade out, or looping, depending on what your project needs. Finally, save and apply the changes. Once everything is set, your custom music will be added to your project and ready to use in your game. So that's basically how you can import songs into Dead as Disco. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.